Okay. This is a Milbank box. 4511 1/4. It's got its own address. And whose box is this? AT&T. Sorry, I'm getting pissed. Warning, call before you dig. Underground cables. What the heck? They're like, I noticed them. There's a Southern California Edison box. It's taking electricity. And the thing that gets me is it's air conditioned. Gotta keep those cables cool. That's really weird. Doesn't seem to be using much, but why is it air conditioned? Underground cable, and these boxes are all around the edges of the neighborhood. And I just had to show you because I wonder if you guys got them too. What is that? Ground something. I don't know, but this box is freaking me out. I've been thinking about it for a week. Do you guys have them in your neighborhood? They're air conditioned. Listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to it. God, what happens if this air conditioner goes out? Does it blow up? Is it going to blow up our neighborhood? Again, here's another box. Cottonwood. AT&T underground wires. What the heck? There's this box. AT&T underground cable. Underground cable. Underground cable. And they're all up and down this street. So, yeah. I stomped a couple little flowers. Sorry, flowers, I stomped you. So, just thought I'd let you guys know. You got them in your neighborhoods yet? Air conditioned? Air conditioned. Hell. Crazy world. Alright, I'm out.